We finally have an official date on when Splash Mountain is going to be closing at Disneyland. We've been waiting and waiting, and even this morning I posted a brand new video saying, hey, we don't know when Splash Mountain's going to close yet. But finally, they let us know that as of May 31st, it will be closed, so your last day to get rides in on Splash Mountain is going to be May 30th. So if you want to get one last splash in, you need to do it by May 30th. So Disney not only gave us that closing date, but they also gave us some new additional details about the new Tiana's Bayou adventure, and some of the details are very exciting and good because one of the concerns people have had is Splash Mountain has so many great animatronics. Are they going to be, losing the number of animatronics? But this update is positive, so let's talk about it. So first things first, they did say there is going to be Mama Odie is going to be in the attraction, so that's very fun. As you can see in the concept art here, and they said Mama Odie is going to be joining a cast of friends familiar and new. In the official update from the Disney Parks blog, Disney said, here's a sample of what to expect from this musical adventure. Brand new cast of original Disney characters with distinct names and personalities, dozens of entirely new audio animatronics. So I was very excited to hear that, dozens of new audio animatronics. That's great news for this attraction. Adorable critters with incredible talent, bringing the diverse flavors of musical gumbo found in New Orleans. New original music alongside favorite tunes from the film. They said the alluring scent of beignets being prepared is going to be something that you'll find in the attraction queue. Much of the original talent that helped out with Princess and the Frog is going to be coming back to lend their voices to this attraction, so that's great news also. And a number of the characters that were originally in the film are going to be appearing in the attraction. Here's the list of characters that they say will be appearing in the attraction. And finally, Disney Parks blog says, Tiana's Bayou adventure builds on the story of Princess Tiana, a character whose pride and perseverance reminds us of a universal truth. Within us lies the potential to make our dreams come true. And of course, the new attraction will not be opening until late 2024, but if you want to get those last splashes in on Splash Mountain, you have until May 30th. So definitely, if you can, give it one more ride, but very excited about Tiana's Bayou adventure and the great news that there's going to be lots of audio and animatronics. So hopefully you found this quick update helpful. If you did, please give it a like and consider subscribing because I'm going to keep you up to date on the latest Disney news, tips and tricks, and making sure your next Disney adventure is wonderful. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see y'all again real soon. Bye.